Okay, the next topic I want to do is delete the record. Delete the record. Coming to the server part, in the model.js, sorry, in the server.js, this particular functionality to be initiated from the front end. This particular functionality to be initiated from the front end. What is the endpoint here? Localhost http colon localhost slash 5000 slash delete student ID. What I need to do is I need to send the particular ID to this parameter. Then this particular code will be get initiated to delete the content and ultimately updated the entire student database with deleted record. Sorry, without deleted record. Once you deleted the content, the rest of the records will be available. That will be fetched again to your student database. Okay, this to be initiated. First, coming to this particular point, that is the front end. What is this and this thing over, and here I want to add delete functionality. It is very easy compared to the update. It will be easy. And see this constant handle delete. This is my own word. This is not actually mandated to do. You can make a delete record also, you can write. But handle by naming convention, this is a very popular naming convention so that you can use in this way. Handle edit, handle delete, handle update kind of thing. Okay. Handle delete. What you need to pass? You need to pass the ID. You need to pass the ID. Okay. Where you are going to click, from that place, the ID will be comes here. Okay. And now this is the function you are going to, this is the arrow function. You are executing this arrow function. And this will be like this. Okay. First one, what you need to do, you need to fetch the completely that endpoint. You need to fetch the endpoint. Fetch it in the bracket, in the single column. Why I'm going to make a single column? Just if you are going to use it a double quote, this will be get conflicted, so that I'm using the single quote. HTTP colon / local host colon 5000 is your port number / delete student, delete, delete student / here you need to pass the ID. Here you need to pass the ID. In this place, this is the variable. Here you need to send the ID. How? The dollar in the bracket, you need to send the ID. This is the process. What is the method you want to pass? Delete method. This is the object. Method is in the delete. This is the delete. This delete method, CRUD operation in the express, just what you wrote, that is the method it is. Okay, cool. Once it is going to happen, there again, how you are going to fetch? Dot, then, again, then, and ultimately catch. Error handling, catch. So in the first, then, what you need to write? Response you can get. Response you can get. What is that? Response, RESPONC, response like this. Response.json. The data should comes like a JSON. What data you need to get? Which is not equal to match. That means array filter to be applied. In that filter, what is the ID you are going to pass? With that ID, any record should not be matched. That should be returned. So in simple it is. In this, okay. And curly braces, enter this. Set students. Set students. If you are going to set the students, then student data will be updated, right? Okay. Students dot filter. This is the array method. This is the function. You can go through the something array functions, array methods. It is a JavaScript method. It is in the student. In the login also, this kind of functionality you are using. Student. Okay. The student dot ID is not equal to the ID. Student dot underscore ID. Okay, with the student ID not equal to just ID. Where the ID is coming? This ID. Okay, which is not equal to this. Okay, except this, rest of the things will be set student. Finish. That's it. If it is not going to happen, the error. Console dot error. Just here, you can write the error deleted student. Error in the deleting the student. And finally, you can display the error. That's it. That's it. And it's close it here. And this is also, that's it, right? And this is the fetch. No issue. And then at the ID, then ID. Here you can close this. Okay. Then the ID will be, then the catch will be there. So the handle delete is over. You can use the handle delete where you need to use, here you need to use. Simple. Delete is not the big deal. What? So here, this ID, right? The specific ID will be available here because your entirely the str will be this. So it is easy for you. You need to send the value to that. Student on click equal to on click equal to always implement like this. Handle delete. In this, you need to send the parameter argument to the parameter. What is your argument? This is the student. This is your argument. Very clear. Because what will be the value that will be available here only. That's it. Let us check it. That's it. Nothing is there. Deleted. So you deleted this concept. So I'm going to finish the video here only because not to confuse with the update students.